Thank you, that was it.
All right. I wish I could take a cab down to the creek and hang a disco ball from an old oak tree. Smoke and drink once in a while, somehow it'd be good for me. Want a cool chick that'll cook for me, but I'll dance on the bar in her tan bare feet. And do what I want when I want, and she'll do it with me. Yeah, I think it sounds pretty good. And then I do bass with two, so I don't know if Alan has a setting to switch me to or not.
Yeah, on a few of the Snapshot, few of the songs.
Awesome.
So
this would be like Champagne Taste Snapshot.
Yeah, obviously you mentioned Fire and Champagne Taste.
Perfect. Maybe? Are you hearing it out there?
Yeah.
Okay.
They cough in your ears.
Yeah, I went up my ears. That's good.
That's what we're doing.
Okay, cool.
Still gonna get him way back. He's smiling.
Check, 1, 2.
Yeah, he's the bass.
Excellent. Got everything you got there? Your ears are good?
Yeah.
Alright, Rob's next. Are you done?
We usually dial in like the
You gotta do that extra
weird
low stuff.
It's pretty happening already.
Well,
But
wait
not,
till you hear
but
this.
not that stuff. Just make sure that shakes your leg hair.
Oh, sounded pretty good.
It shook my leg hair.
You don't have any leg hair.
That's true.
Hey, Rob. I feel no shame, I'm proud of where I came from. I was born and raised in the boondocks. One thing I know, no matter where I go, I keep my heart and soul in the boondocks. Sounds good in my ears right now.
Well, totally happy you're happy.
I'm happy.
We're almost out of here.
Process elimination. The high one.
Lazy yellow moon coming up tonight, shining through the big trees. The crickets are singing and the lightning bugs are floating on a breeze. Baby, get ready.
How's that for you?
That feels pretty nice. Yeah, it feels good.
Okay. You guys want to something?
Yeah, we do. So much.
Let me get you back to the Snapshot.
Cruise? Yeah. Baby, you a song, you make me wanna roll my windows down and cruise. I got my windows down, and the radio up, get your radio up.
Yeah, when I first saw that bikini top on her, just popping right out of the South Georgia water. Thought, oh good Lord, she had them long tan legs, couldn't help myself, so I walked up and said,
Baby, you a song, you make me wanna roll my windows down and cruise down a back road, rolling stop signs through the middle, every little farm town for you. This brand new Chevy with a lift kit would look a hell of a lot better with you up in it. So baby, you a song, you make me wanna roll my windows down and cruise.
My seats are back, my music's up, and we ride.
country radio.
Could you take Adam down here in the wedges?
It sounds great though, man.
He's a beatboxer.
Yeah, the drums.
I can put it back up a little bit. I didn't take it down, but he's a little more.
No, we need him down in the monitors, just the wedges.
I do love how it sounds overall.
Yeah, it sounded great up here, but digging it.
Better not do that about 25%.
Check, 1, 2.
Sure. Cool.
It's okay if it's louder?
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Should we try the butter remix? See how... Yeah. Okay, you should have a snapshot for the butt remix.
Check.
All right. I know he switches because Tim and I switch back and forth on bass on this, so it's a little tricky.
Okay.
So we'll see how it goes.
Okay. So when you guys do that, probably use the
Yeah.
I won't be switching to every snapshot.
No, we just use this snapshot, but I don't know if Alan sends me to the subs or whatever when I'm on bass. I don't know what he does.
So champagne, vodka, fire.
Yeah, but I'm like, but then I switch to regular parts too. It's back and forth during this song, so it's tricky.
Okay.
Nate, tell him when I do things.
I think we have a new song title though.
The champagne fire butt, yeah.
That's pretty good.
Us they're shooting 8 balls, throwing darts at the wall. Living down there 10 feet tall. Here she comes, Lord help us all. OTW's girlfriend done smacked him out his chair. Poor old boy, it ain't his fault. It's so hard not to stare at that honky tonk. But honky tonk. Wiggle, wiggle. Keeping perfect rhythm make you wanna swing along. Got it going on like Donkey Kong. Middle, shut my mouth, slap your grandma. There ought to be a law, get the sheriff on the phone. Lord have mercy, how she even got them matches on with that honky tonk. Double up.
Everybody like, go ahead and go hands at it. Oh, I can't stand it. 'Cause you know what they do with a big fat butt. Big fat butt. Big fat butt. Butt. Oh, won't you take me on tonight? Oh, now it's out there in fine. Oh, you're gonna let it all hang up. That bottom girls, you make the rock and roll go round. That bottom girls, you make the rock and roll go round.
I like big guns in the cloud. You look at me. I wanna go. You can't sprawl. What up, does it look like a to stuff? Deep in the chin, she's wearing. I'm hooked and I cannot stop staring all back. Baby got
Like a home track. She can't come like a that's like but all night long. Let me see that maybe make your booty go down and down. Maybe make you wanna show that frown that long.
Country girl, shake it for me, girl. Shake it for me, girl. Shake it for me. Country girl, shake it for me, girl. Shake it for me, girl. Shake it for me. With that honky tonk, the honky tonk. Keeping perfect rhythm make you wanna swing along. Got it going on like Donkey Kong. Woo! Shut my mouth. There ought to be a law. Get the sheriff on the phone. Lord have mercy, how she even got them bitches on that bottom girl. That bottom girl. That bottom girl. Shake it for me. Just like bottom girls. Yes.
It sounds great up
Yeah, we really dialed in.
I think they liked it, so.
That song is so much easier when you don't have to dance around with
During Big Butts, I am beatboxing, so I don't want that to throw you off. And then Adam's doing the scratchy stuff. That happens in Rockin' Robin as well. Cool.
All right,
I'm good. You good?
you need anything else, bud?
No.
All right, yeah, sounds really